Hey guys, I'm showing you guys my updated wash and go and how I get these really moisturized juicy curls. And what I love about this wash and go is that I'm using a combination of products, some ones that I've made myself and then other ones from brands that I just really like their products. So the first thing I do is I pre-poo, and I'm using this oil blend that is infused with henna and other Ayurvedic herbs. I'm going to give you guys a demo soon, but I make sure to put it all over my edges and my scalp, and pre-pooing just helps my hair prevent breakage after I wash it. So then I'm breaking out my Shikakai powder, and Shikakai has so many benefits. It cleanses the hair, soothes the scalp, nourishes your follicles, adding shine. And I've noticed that my curls have just been really clumped together because my pH of my hair is just on point. So I'm adding in 1/4 cup of the Shikakai with another cup of water, and then I just mix that together, and this liquidy concoction is like the shampoo itself. I added in a little bit more just to make it a little thicker before stirring it again, and then breaking out my funnel and this regular bottle before pouring it into there. And it can get a little messy, so don't mind that. And this is actually the shampoo that I'm using. So normally I do this process in the shower because I like to make sure my hair is wet first before I start applying the shampoo itself. So I just go ahead, spray it with a spray bottle, and then I start to just saturate my hair with the mixture. So I just got out the shower, I used my Shikakai shampoo, then I followed up with this hydrating co-wash from My DNA. The Shikakai is very grainy, so I like to go through with something really thick and creamy and get all of that out. So now I'm following up with the split end repair mask from Eden Body Works, and I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit in my hair for like an hour. Alright, so I'm back after deep conditioning. Now I'm breaking out my aloe vera juice, and I am using the detangler, the Great Detangler leave-in from Talia Waheed. I saw in my last wash and go, I was using the Apple and Aloe Nutrition Curl Definer. I still really like this product for my wash and goes. I think it works really well to clump my curls, and yeah, I just go ahead and smooth that in. And just repeating that on each section with the aloe vera juice, smoothing that into my hair, followed by the Great Detangler. Before adding in the cream, which is my Nutrition Curl Definer. I think I should have worked in smaller sections because I'm not quite seeing the type of definition that I would want, but all in all, I think that this was a good wash and go. And there you have it. That's pretty much my whole wash and go process. If you want to see how my hair looks after it's completely dry, make sure you watch my next video to see how well it does at the gym. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.